How to log in KUCCPS.NET Student Portal. Hey everybody, this is Nina from Create Login Delete. So without any further ado, let's get started. Open up your web browser from your PC and at the top search bar, you want to type in www.kuccps.net and click on enter. Once done, you will land onto its official website, which looks like this. Now, to get logged into your account, click on Students Portal. On your right hand side, you will see Student Login Portal. Now enter your KCSE index number at this box. Your KCSE year down below at this box. And make sure your birth certificate number or KCPE index number is same as you used while your registration. Once done, go ahead and click on Login. So that wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you for watching and do like and subscribe.